Did you have an exciting day? What did you do? Did you sit? Did you lie on the chair? Did you jump on the bed? Did you look out the window? Did you do a lot of standing? Are you thinking you might get fed? And you're just so kind. You're not screaming at me. You're not crying me. You're not biting me or tearing me to shreds. You're just standing there, hoping that I'm going to notice your cute little face. I want you to look right if you want Fancy Feast, and to the left if you want Friskies. Well, oh, you're looking both ways. Maybe you'll have to have a combination of that. And then maybe after that we're going to have to go to bed and keep